Okay, here, so for the exercise, we're going to create a line chart instead of this scatter plot that we've been doing thus far. And I'll go ahead and use Plotly, simply because I like Plotly, but feel free to complete the exercise in whatever package you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and just simply copy this right here and then paste it in. So now, right off the top here, what I could probably do is start typing line, and I see, okay, well, I have these are all the type of line charts that I can do in Plotly Express. So I can go ahead and evaluate that. And then, so that just simply takes that scatter plot and turns it into a line plot, which isn't exactly, what I want here. Now, again, it's perfectly fine if you approach it that way, simply by having it autocomplete to see what is available. Of course, what you can also do is just search for line chart in Plotly, and it will come up with this right where we can sort of see right there. However, as you become more comfortable, like I said, you'll probably just look at what's available in Plotly Express by auto completion. But what I mentioned here is, this is not kind of really what I want. What we can do is we can just plot one of these, X, or just plot Y, and have the X-axis simply be 1 to 100. So we can look at one of the random variables, X or Y, over time. So let's look at Y over time, and say X is just 100 number, we're just looking at Y for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 random numbers. And why don't we go ahead and say simple line chart, right, to make this good. And there we go. So here we have observation on the x-axis, and then we have y over time, right? And we can take a look at that. We could obviously change this to, this is our, we have another random set of numbers x, and we can do that. We get a different line chart, right? So we're good to go. So it's that easy to sort of experiment with charts, look at different types of charts, and see what sort of shows the data in the manner that you like best.